Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
In this video I will show you how to enable developer options on your phone. So if I go to my S10 phone, I'm going to search for developer options, and if you see it doesn't show up in the settings. So what we have to do, let's see what we have to do. So go back to your regular main screen of the settings, go to the bottom of the screen and go to the about phone, and then click on build number. Keep tapping it till you see it completes, and then asks for a pin sometimes. So once you enter the pin, and now you go back to your search and you search for developer options, now the settings item should show up in the search results. So hope this information helps you if you have this problem. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.